In today's video, I'm going to show you how to rename a table in Airtable. If you find this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. First things first, you'll want to open your browser and go to Airtable. Once you're there, click the Log In button and sign into your account. After you're logged in, open the base that contains the table you want to rename. Remember, a base is like your project workspace, and inside it, you'll find all your tables lined up as tabs at the top. Now, find the specific table you want to rename. It will appear as a tab near the top of your screen, usually with a name like Table 1 or something you've already set. Once you've located it, click the small drop-down arrow that appears right next to the table name. This opens a menu with several options for managing that table. From that drop-down menu, click Rename Table. A text box will pop up, allowing you to type in the new name for your table. Choose a name that clearly describes the data inside. Something like customer orders or project tasks will make your base much easier to navigate later on. Once you've entered the new name, click the Save button to confirm the change. You'll immediately see the new name appear on the Table tab, so it's easy to double check that everything looks correct. One great thing about Airtable is that your changes save automatically, so there's no need to worry about losing your work. If you ever need to adjust the name again, just repeat these same steps. So there you have it. So you've successfully renamed a table in Airtable. That's all there is to keeping your bases organized and easy to navigate. Thanks for watching this Airtable tutorial on how to rename a table in Airtable. If this helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tips, and I'll see you in the next video.